It's given us control over our accounts, especially on job costing, especially on getting our accounts set up with addresses and things like that. It's given us just a lot better control over cost, over any problems we might have had. We have everything in one system now, and we're able to look back, get better efficiency in estimating, and our estimating program has really streamlined the process. Going from a pad and a pencil to the estimating system has been a real plus for us because we're able to go back in and look up estimates, learn from those estimates to new estimates, and it's really been just a pleasure working with your system. Being a web-based system, we have found, especially in storms or something like that, that when our system used to go completely out, we were dead in the water, but the web-based system gives us more flexibility to get on the system in case something does happen to it.